Okay, video on how to install my gutter guard. I'm putting a cup up one end. Now I'm putting these clips on, not on the high parts, but on the lower parts. You can see the spacing I've got there. It's about a 1 degree slope, it's straight down. There's the bucket and assembly. You can literally see right up that tube it's made. You got to roll right around. The bucket goes directly under that spout, and then hose connection like so. Bungee cord just above that knuckle. So I've actually got the awning from, although I'm not on level ground now, I've actually got it on a 1 degree angle, so that gives it enough runoff to head down towards the bucket. And then bungee corded on the corner here. On the corner, and it's keep the hose fairly taut across here, and straight in the tank with the filler. There we go. That's how it looks. Using the 10 clips, it's just enough.